Hello everyone. Now I discuss the refrigeration system. The main four components of refrigeration system is the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and the evaporator. Number one is the compressor. Compressor. The refrigerant vapor is compressed, increasing the temperature and pressure. The compressor, it is a heart of the refrigerant system. Number two is the condenser. The condenser, it is a heat exchanger that rejects the heat from the high pressure refrigerant vapor, causing it to condense the high pressure liquid. Number three is the expansion valve. A expansion valve is a refrigerant system regulate the refrigerant flow from the high pressure side to low pressure side, causing a pressure drop that lower the refrigerant evaporating and temperature. And the last is the evaporator. The evaporator, the low pressure, low temperature refrigerant entered the evaporator where it absorbed the heat from the space to be cooled and vaporized into a low pressure vapor. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and